Hey everyone, Duke Nougat 3D here with another unboxing related video, and this is a package that Moulage has sent to me, and I already pretty much know the main thing that's going to be in this package, but he said that he was including an extra surprise item and suggested to do an unboxing on it, so I'll go ahead and do that, I guess, and I will link his channel in the description if you are interested in his videos. He has plenty of masks and really worth checking out, but in the meantime, let's get this cracked open. So, starting from the sides, as always, I really need to replace the blade on this box cutter because I've been using it forever and it's getting pretty dull. Not that much tape on this side. And now... terrible at cutting from behind the camera. So, let's see here. We got lots of pink bubble wrap. And right off the... oh, god damn it. Him and his inside jokes. Okay, none of you are all gonna understand the meme behind this. This is kind of esoteric related to our crap Discord server, but it was an inside joke that when I was visiting Moulage and we went to a grocery store, and this is now an emote in our server. I'm not gonna get into semantics. Y'all don't understand the joke, so I'm not gonna bother explaining it. Let's see. So, right off the bat here, we have a mint condition M25A1 tank gas mask. I do already have an M25A1 in my collection, however it is a size small, and it is in pretty terrible condition, and I would much rather have a nicer condition mediums, and this is what he had. Pulled it out of storage when he was liquidating his stock, and so yeah, I definitely thank you for this. This is a much better condition than I was expecting. This is like really mint. This one is dated 1982, made by MSA, so a fairly late one, probably Gulf War era. And this comes with everything. A bit of the rubber band stuck to the filter sling. I'll have to scrape that off and deal with it later. And then the carrier is the late pattern carrier. This is like one of the last variants of the M25 series carrier. I believe the designation is M15A1, if memory serves me correct. And this is the variant that uses a strip of Velcro instead of lifted dots like they normally do. And this one does not have many accessories with it. It is just empty, but I do have accessories with my size small example, which I will be swapping over into this example. And just to double check and see if there's anything else inside of here. No, I do believe that's everything. So thank you again for sending this. I'll probably do a review on the M25A1, an updated review. I've already done a review on the M25 series masks, but I'm going to do a better one with more pertinent information and so on and so forth. So that's really all there is to see. So thanks again. I'm Duke Nougat 3D. If you have any comments, questions, corrections, or concerns, drop them down in the comments below, and I'll see you all later.